you been there before?
Yeah. I mean, I've raced here, but that was a long time ago.
I think it's alright. No, it's a left.
No, it's
It's alright. It's alright.
Right.
It's alright, man.
It's alright. Sorry.
Thanks for the drive, Ben. Now, I've heard you're pretty handy, but I've also heard that these Kärcher wet and dry vacs are also very handy. So today, we're at Brands Hatch and have set us a challenge. Up for it?
Of course I'm up for it, but I do have a very fast reputation. You're going to be able to keep up?
I've heard. I can do it. I can manage. You're going first. Go on, get in there, son. You made me make that mess. It's only right you clean it up.
It's everywhere, Rory. It's under the seat, literally everywhere. It's in the stereo.
I think you missed a bit. So this one's got 180 air watts of power. Ideal for cleaning up all sorts of messes in McLarens and other supercars. Come on, Ben.
Oh, I'm making great work of this.
Tell you what, he's not doing very well.
All right, I've done it. Next.
All right, next obstacle, come on. So this one is the WD3, 200 air watts of power. Actually, that's quite impressive, isn't it?
Making short work of this.
He's doing a lot better here than on the previous one.
I can't believe it actually sucks up metal.
All right, 2 minutes gone.
Right.
I'm gonna smash this. Gonna smash this.
Oh, this can't work, surely. This feels wrong, but it feels good. It's going in.
How quick is that?
It's sucking up water. It's done. It's done it already.
Right, so that's a WD4, 220 air watts. It's just sucked up all that water. Wow.
All right.
Go on, get in there, son.
It's going in, whatever it is.
You have to get the squeegee bit down.
I've got the squeegee down. What is that?
He's fast on the racetrack, but when it comes to vacuuming, he's maybe not so hot.
All right, that's that.
Right, now the big finale.
Right, now for the most powerful machine in the range. 260 air watts. Come on, baby.
Across the finish line, and boom.
She's in.
Not bad,
What was that?
not bad.
What was my time?
I've seen better.
What's my
I'm
time?
not going to tell you your time.
Seen better.
To be fair, I've never seen this in my life.
I wouldn't think you had.
But you're about to see me smash your time, whatever it was.
That's it, get in there. Good work, yeah. You've gone with the long nozzle. It's an interesting technique.
Come on, baby. Come on.
We've cut, he's out.
I'm already quicker than you.
Oh, I'll be checking that. Right, he's onto the nuts and bolts. Staying with the long nozzle.
Easy work. How many of these did you do?
All of them, obviously.
All of them?
Like you and your popcorn.
That'll do, that's pretty good.
Are they all?
Yeah, they're all done.
Oh, here he goes with the water.
Come on,
Dirty
baby.
water, he's gone straight in there.
It's all about the angle.
He has got a good angle.
All about the angle.
A little bit concerned about that. I think he's a little bit ahead of me at the moment on time. He's got the squeegee down. He's gone into the sludge.
Oh, that's lovely.
Likes it in there. Could all come down to the driving at the end. He's had enough of that. He's on. Onto the Volvo. It's a slow start, but she's pulling away. It's veered off to the right, and you're through.
Stop it!
All right.
Hand me my medal. Hand me my medal.
I don't think it's time for medals yet. How are you feeling about this?
I'm feeling quietly confident. I have your time here, though. Ben, your time was better than the Kärcher experts.
Come on, then.
It is a 325.
That's not bad. I mean, I know I was a bit sluggish on the workstations, but when it came to the full power of 260 watt airs,
You mean air watts?
that's the one. I've got to say, I'm a bit disappointed to be that far behind, but I can't be a sore loser.
Wow.
When you thrashed me, 2 minutes and 7 versus 3:25.
A minute and a half quicker than you.
Well, that's sad, isn't it? Fair play. All right, you smashed me. What can I say? Great job.
Never in doubt.
You do win a car.
The McLaren.
No. This one.
Are you serious? You know what you are? You're a sore loser.